In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Sprout Social. First, let's get started by focusing on the initial step. You will want to open the Sprout Social application on your device. Once you have the app up and running, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll notice either an icon displaying your initials or potentially an avatar if you've customized it. This is your entry point to accessing the settings. Go ahead and give that icon a click. Once you've clicked, a menu will appear offering several options. From here, you'll want to select Settings. This will lead you to another submenu where you should choose Personal Settings. It's crucial to ensure that you're navigating within your personal settings, as this is where you'll manage your individual information and preferences. Now, within the Personal Information section, take a moment to locate your current email address. It should be clearly displayed there. Next to your email, you will spot a pencil or edit icon. This icon is what you will need to click to initiate the process of changing your email address. After clicking this edit icon, you will be presented with a field to enter your new email address. This is an important step, so make sure you carefully type in the new email you intend to use. With your new email address correctly entered, click on the Next button to proceed. At this point, Sprout Social will take an extra security step to ensure that the new email address is indeed valid and accessible. They will send a verification code to the email address you just entered. To continue with the process, open your email and check for that verification email from Sprout Social. It might take a moment to arrive, so be sure to refresh your inbox or check your spam folder if needed. Once you have the verification code, come back to the Sprout Social app and enter that code in the provided field. This code acts as a confirmation that you have access to the email and are ready to finalize the changes. Finally, click on the Verify button to complete the update of your email address. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your email address in Sprout Social. It's a straightforward process, but taking these steps not only updates your email, but also ensures your account remains secure and up to date. Thanks for following along, and feel free to pause and replay any sections if you need a bit more time. Happy sprouting!